Is your support?
Yeah. Anyway, go around a couple of things and tie it really tight.
I have an idea. Slow motion. I have stopped it that way. No, I have slow motion.
Yeah, we need these all.
Yeah, it's already on the rag.
Oh, you already put the rag
I
out?
did. I'm gonna get slow motion.
You're gonna get a slow-mo.
Slow
Good.
mo.
Okay, take the.
It's still gonna go
Take the
really
rag.
fast, but it's gonna take pretty cool.
You good? You go
I'm
with
just
it.
gonna get it over
That's
there.
good.
Oh, another. No.
The rag. Rag.
You're losing some.
Now where's the string? Right here? Okay. There, just tie that on here.
Oh, well, I didn't know. So where is this stand?
Away from it. Okay, somebody grab that end.
Balloon.
Okay, don't want to put over top.
We just walk it over top the fire.
Yeah, but how far you guys have to be away?
Not this far.
Huh?
This is good.
Is that? It's not dangerous like that?
Well,
Here we go.
Is that? It's not dangerous like that?
Yeah, I'm being ready.
All right.
Okay, here we go.